Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate channel for language exploration and vocabulary enrichment. Today, we're diving into the word inextricably. So, what does inextricably mean in English? At its core, inextricably means something that is impossible to separate or disentangle. According to various dictionaries, inextricably is often used to describe things that are so closely linked that they cannot be separated. For example, the two concepts are inextricably linked. But let's not stop there. Let's explore a plethora of synonyms to broaden our understanding and usage of inextricably. Some common synonyms include inseparably, indissolubly, and intertwined. Each of these words offers a unique nuance to describe things that are tightly bound together. That wraps up our exploration of inextricably. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is key to unlocking new avenues of expression. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive.